Welcome to another tutorial on Matlab. In this particular tutorial series, we are looking into the concept of GUI and how we can create a complete GUI project. This is the first example project that we are doing. In the following tutorials, we will be doing some more projects so that it will give a good clarity on how the GUI works. Subsequently, we will also look into Matlab app, so how you can design or your own apps in this particular series. So stay connected and stay subscribed. In the last tutorial, we have seen the design of a Simulink model. So let's understand and analyze how this model is being created and what are the things that we have taken into consideration while designing this model. So first of all, starts with the system equation. So this is the system equation that we want to design. So here, this is the acceleration part, this is the velocity part, and this is the displacement part. So coming to this equation, we have four terms. So based on that, we will be doing an operation, which is a four operation. So four mathematical operation we need to do. First is the plus, then minus, and then plus again. So we have two plus operations and two minus operations. So same thing is being implemented first here. So whenever you see any equation, first create a add block with the number of operations that are there, the algebraic operations. Next, we need to know what is the order of the system. So in this case, the order of the system is 2. So in this case, as the order of the system is 2, we need to have two integrator blocks to design this particular model. So next step is to have integrator block added to the Simulink model. So once you connect the two, it will have the intermediate variable, which is x dot. So this intermediate value between those is the first derivative. This is the second derivative, and this is the actual quantity that we have. That is why we create the integrator block to avoid any confusion. So once you have all these, then you create all these gains. So here f is the input, so leave this one, so that will come from outside. So here the factor is 1 by m. So 1 by m is designed here. Then you need to have k by m. So k by m is designed here, which is related to displacement. So that's why we connected it to displacement. And then c by m is the third factor. So that is also included here, c by m. So that is related to velocity. So here x dot is the velocity and we have connected it. Next term is the constant term. So we need to use a constant block because this will not vary over time. So we have used a constant block and we have connected it to the proper ports. So these are the operations, and that is how we have designed this particular model. So now question comes like, we have designed the model, but we need to know what is going in and what is going out. For that same, we need to record some particular signals. So here in this case, we want to record the displacement, velocity, acceleration, and also the force that is coming into this system. So for that, we need to have signal lines to be available to which we want to connect all these. So that can be done with the help of code to end from block. You can also directly connect those signal lines, but it will make the model more clumsy, and it will reduce the visibility of the model and also the clarity. So first we need to have these go to and from block. So this is a go to block. This will send all the signals, and here the signal will be received. So this is from block and this is the go to block. So we need to design for every signal lines the from and go to block and connect it to the respective ports. So now question comes why we have given this particular names. So the names are given because these names will be visible outside the subsystem. So if we give proper name, then it will make some sense, like the subsystem receives force, it gives displacement, acceleration, and force as the output. So that is why we have designed it in that way. So this is the overall analysis of the model that we have created. In case you have any confusion, please let us know in the comment section. In case you are liking the channel, please consider subscribing. In case you have any comment or query, please let us know in the comment section. And happy learning MATLAB. Stay connected to the channel. Have a good day.